Bullish Quantum Qtum cost forecast range somewhere in the range of $15.8 and $28.48 by 2030. Market examiners accept Qtum could reach $11.73 by 2025. Negative quantum market cost expectation for 2023 is $2.68. Quantum Qtum presentation. Quantum Qtum is a cross-breed blockchain application stage. It overcomes any barrier among Bitcoin and Ethereum by consolidating their best elements. Qtum utilizes the UXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run brilliant agreements and decentralized applications dApps, while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dye, a previous Alibaba leader, and Bruce Fenton, board overseer of the Bitcoin establishment. They have gathered an amazing group of counsels, including Roger Ver, Anthony D'Iorio, Zoostar, Misthos Ianu, Kevin Goffman, and Y. Benhuo. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In Walk 2017, they raised $1 million from Fenbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from organizers Asset Angelist F. Angel. Also in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum extraordinary? The Qtum blockchain has two exceptional advances that plan to tackle the four issues. Its pioneers seen as most dangerous in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: Record Deliberation Layer (OL) and Decentralized Administration Convention (DGP). The Record Reflection Layer (OL) considers more noteworthy interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains and between shrewd agreements and genuine applications. This is on the grounds that it successfully makes a span between various blockchains, considering simpler communication. Furthermore, OL makes it conceivable to interface savvy contracts with certifiable applications, which has been challenging to do as of not long ago. The Decentralized Administration Convention (DGP) resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be adjusted by any individual who holds Qtum tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Critically, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Also, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. What is Qtum? Qtum has been intended to join the best elements of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Utilizing an UXO exchange model, Qtum can offer the security of Bitcoin with the additional usefulness of shrewd agreements and dApps. Qtum value history. In May 2017, Qtum was first recorded on trades and was esteemed at $4.65. Until November of that year, the resource exchanged the $10, $13 territory. Qtum broke over the $13 obstruction level on December 13 and rose to $62.7 in January 2018. Qtum's ascent related with the organization's participation at Blockshow Asia in November. The Qtum coin was underestimated before this episode. Quantum is at present worth $3.35 est. Qtum has moved 158% as of now with an exchanging volume of $42,981,906. Quantum is at present position 364 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $343,839,535 SE. Using the overall strength list RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity MACD from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Quantum Qtum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. The first is reception. In the event that more individuals use Qtum for day-to-day exchanges, the interest for Qtum will go up, thus will the cost. Thirdly, advancement should be thought of. Assuming the Qtum group concocts new elements or applications that make it more appealing than different coins, then at that point, its cost will probably go up since individuals will need to get it before it gets excessively costly. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Quantum Qtum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Quantum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Qtum. The Qtum cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $503. Likewise, with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $4.69 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Qtum is supposed to have a base worth of $402. Quantum Qtum value expectation 2024. In 2024, quantum Qtum cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $8.38. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Qtum's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wages. Taking into account the market instability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $6.70 and a typical exchanging cost of $7.37. Quantum Qtum value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $11.73 and Qtum might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $10.72 and a low of $10.05 in 2025. Quantum Qtum value forecast 2026. In the event that quantum effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the Qtum coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Qtum will be green in 2026. The Qtum is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $15.8, with a base cost of $13.40 and a typical cost of $14.7. Quantum Qtum value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Qtum cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $17.42 by 2027, with a base cost of $16.75 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Qtum has a greatest value worth of $18.43. Quantum Qtum value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $20.78. In the event that Qtum figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $21.78. Neglecting to accumulate the help Qtum needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $20.11. Quantum Qtum value forecast 2029. While Qtum is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $23.46 and a yearly cost close above $25.13 in 2029. By 2030, Quantum will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $26.81 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $28.48, averaging out at $27.48. Quantum Qtum value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy.